This is my first attempt at the Wabi-Sabi philosophy of Kintsugi broken pieces. My wife broke a small porcelain bird she had, so I've glued it back together, filled it up with some plaster of Paris. Now I'm just going around with the gold paint, trying to give it that ancient look. I'm just using a craft gold paint. Typical craft store things. I spray a little in there, and I've just made up a little brush out of some folded newspaper. And it gets me the pinstripe effect I need to follow the repaired plaster. I just glued it together with a ceramic type, actually carpenter glue, but it's good for ceramics as well. And then the missing pieces, I used the plaster of Paris mix. Just again, just a typical craft store, grade school art class, plaster of Paris, 50-50 mix. Kind of a slow process. A steady hand. I don't know if I have the patience or the artistic nature, but it's looking pretty good. Just a little dab at a time and trace it along. While it's wet, a mistake is easily wiped off. Also, a sharp X-Acto knife gets rid of any extra glue that went out over the edges. Same with the paint. I think when it dries, could be chipped off easy enough as well. The larger pieces that are filled with the plaster and filling with the gold paint as well. I think that looks right from what little bit of research I did looking it up on Google Image. It's real interesting. Japanese philosophy, they call it Wabi-Sabi. It's the appreciation of imperfection in nature, deterioration and whatnot. And Kintsugi is the art of putting things back together and appreciating their new form and usefulness. Again, embracing the imperfections, much like a rotten tree stump or a rotten piece of barn board. It always looks good in a garden as well. I don't know where this is going. Like I say, it's more of an experiment. My wife was very upset when she broke it. It was a favorite little piece. Not particularly expensive, but it had a nice look to it. So this is a little surprise for her. I've been around the most of it before I decided to do a video where I would have showed the glue process, but that's kind of an obvious process as well. It's like a three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle. Like I said, I've made a homemade brush out of paper, and it starts to deteriorate, saturate, and kind of soften after a bit. So I think this one's due to make another piece in a few minutes. And here's an example of some glue, the fingerprint from the gluing process. It just chips off. I'll do some more of that after the paint's dry. It might be risky right now. But just to give a better idea of what it's looking like. That's more of the finished product there. It's all cleaned up. Just drying a little. I
think it'll look good. Thanks for watching.